Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. A silicon bar is doped with donor impurities Nd 2.25 into 10 power 15 atoms per centimeter cube, and given that intrinsic carrier concentration of silicon at room temperature is 1.5 into 10 power 10 per centimeter cube. Assume complete impurity ionization. The equilibrium electron and hole concentrations are. Okay, silicon bar is doping with donor impurities Nd, so that the silicon bar is converting into N type. So resulting silicon bar is of N type nature, so it will become N type semiconductor. In N type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are nothing but electrons, so we can represent it as Nn, electrons in N type. And minority carriers are nothing but holes in N type. So electron concentration is nothing but majority carrier concentration, hole concentration is nothing but minority carrier concentration. And if we assume complete impurity ionization, that implies nothing but every donor is going to be contributed one extra electron for the silicon bar, so that all the donors have given the impurity, all the donors has given extra electrons. So by that time Nn is approximately equal to Nd. So electron concentration is nothing but 2.25 into 10 power 15 per centimeter cube, and Pn, hole concentration, that is minority carrier concentration, we can calculate from the mass action law. Mass action law specifies that one. Okay, the product of total electron concentration and total hole concentration, that is total positive charge and total negative charge, product of that one must be always constant, and it is equal to Ni square. Okay, so this is what mass action law specifies. Mass action law specifies product of total negative charge and total positive charge must be constant, and it is equal to square of intrinsic carrier concentration. For N type we can write it as, for N type simply we are adding suffixes, so Nn into Pn is equal to Ni square. So from this one we can calculate minority carriers as Ni square divided by Nn, and if the impurity atoms completely ionized, at that time we can write it as Ni square by Na. So from this one we can write it as Ni square divided by Na, which is nothing but Pn is equal to hole concentration 2.25 into 10 power minus 15, sorry 10 power 15, sorry Ni square is nothing but Ni is 1.5 into 10 power 10, so that you will get it as 2.25 into 10 power 20 divided by Na is 2.25 into 10 power 15. Okay, so the whole concentration is nothing but 1 into 10 power 5 holes per centimeter cube. So the right answer for this one is nothing but electron concentration is 2.25 into 10 power 15 and hole concentration is 1 into 10 power 5. So the right option for this one is D. Thank you.